안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to make a very yummy dumpling wrapper. Oftentimes, we think that the filling is the main part of the dumpling, but I think the wrapper is just as important. Let's get started. Put 3 cups of bread flour in a bowl. I tried making them with both bread and all-purpose flour, but I like the dumpling wrapper made with bread flour more. If you don't have a bread flour, you can also use all-purpose flour. Add 2 pinches of salt. This is because the salt helps from gluten and makes the dough sticky. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Adding cooking oil makes the dough soft and gives it a good texture. When kneading, I will knead with warm water instead of cold water. Do not add warm water all at once, but add it little by little and mix well. This is better than using cold water. I tried kneading it with hot water, but it didn't work well. Mix it with a spoon, and when it seems to have become dough, knead it with your hands. It's good to knead it when it comes together like this. If you think the water is not enough, try adding a little more. When the dough comes together properly, put it in a Ziploc bag and let it set for 1 hour at room temperature. 1 hour later, the dough turned out so well. Sprinkle some flour on the cutting board. I will show you 2 ways. Make the dough long. Cut it in half and put one in a Ziploc bag to keep it from drying out. Make the dough long and cut it into small pieces. Sprinkle them with the flour so they don't stick together. Press the dough with the top of your hand, then it becomes flat. Roll it evenly from front to back with a rolling pin. I will show you another way. I think this method is the simplest and easiest. Press the dough moderately flat with your hands. Sprinkle with a little flour. Roll out the dough thinly with a rolling pin. Even if you stretch the dough like this, it won't tear well. The dumpling wrapper should be thin for the dumpling to be delicious. When the dough is stretched out to some extent, press it like this with a round frame or a cutter. Then it becomes a round dumpling wrapper. Don't throw away the remnants. Put them in a bag and sprinkle a bit of water and reuse them later. Sprinkle a little flour to prevent the dumpling wrappers from sticking together. This is a set of cookie cutters. If you want to make slightly larger dumplings, you can also use a larger size cutter. You can make the rest in the same way. This is a very chewy and delicious homemade dumpling wrapper. Now you can make a dumpling wrapper at home too. Next week I will show you a video of delicious dumplings with this dumpling wrapper. Please look forward to it. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. 바이바이.